Aontú leader Peadar Tóibín is standing by a prominent party politician accused of sexually inappropriate behaviour by a vulnerable woman. After 2 investigations into allegations against the politician, a council said it could not substantiate the claims, and the Director of Public Prosecutions decided not to prosecute. The woman says she thought she was meeting a leading figure in the socially conservative party to talk about local issues. But poll-topping Wexford County Councillor Jim Codd claimed he thought they were on a date at the time. However, an autistic constituent, Rachel Meadows, alleges the Aontú politician tried it on with her. The councillor admits that he made advances on the constituent and to making physical contact with her after driving her to a secluded rural area in August 2024. However, he told an independent investigator who was hired to look into the claims that he made an advance in the gentlest way and she rebuffed him. He denied assaulting or pinching her. The independent investigator, a HR consultant hired by the council, found there is no evidence to suggest the complainant should in any way have expected she was going on a date with Councillor Codd. But the investigator also says she does not believe the complainant is justified in characterising the meeting of 17th of August as an official meeting scheduled with your local councillor regarding her housing application. The complainant told the investigation, Councillor Codd then grabbed her with his right hand stretched across her, pulling her towards him, that she pushed him off, and he grabbed her again and said, "Oh, come on." She said, "I'm not here for that, Jim." And he said, "I can't believe I can't seduce you," in beautiful Carrigan Bano.